All right, everybody, welcome back to the Erica Tom Show. We are doing door casing, wrapping windows. We're doing all kinds of stuff in here. I wanted to take a second and show you how we go about filling these in. Everybody has them, your miter cuts, where they meet, where they come together. From your brad nailer, the whole nine. Instead of using caulking, we like to use a plastic wood, all-purpose wood filler. It's already white. It's made for interior, exterior. Very good product. I want to show you not only how to go about it, I want to show you a little tip we use to get this razor sharp. So on the front side, when you go to put this in, because it's like a wood filler, it's not like a caulking. A caulking is going to smear, kind of go everywhere, and the more you keep wiping it, the dingier it gets. That's from the oils and stuff on your fingers kind of discoloring it as you're wiping it. So you don't need a whole lot. Something like this right there, just a little dime size. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it right in here, and this is where you can, I'm going to use the word sloppy. This is where I put it in just to get it all to take and to cover real good. Now I know that looks crazy horrible at the moment. Just bear with me a second. I'm going to show you. Get it all in there nice and good, and I'm going to go ahead and get these two holes too. This stuff is great. It prevents fish eyes, sagging, anything like that. Now that it's kind of all sloppy, and you can see it sloppy, I'm going to take one of my cleaner fingers here, and I'm going to get the bulk of that to go away. Just like this. Now what we're left with is we're left with thick lines right in the molding, kind of changing the sharp edge. We don't want that. So first thing you want to do, take a damp cloth and get that powder residue off my fingers. Take this damp cloth, put it right on there, and what you're going to be able to clean and get away is everything except for these two corners here where my finger and where the rag really don't get in there well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this right here. This is these are typically used for like watches and small little parts, you know, very, very tiny little parts, fine tuning. We keep this handy all the time. I'm going to go with the contour of that profile, and I'm going to dig it right out and make that sharp line come right back for me. Just like that, and then up here as well. Back and forth, you can see it's getting the excess right out. Then last but not least, I'm going to take my rag again, put it right there in that corner, and work at it. Just like that. Even though we didn't have a tight miter to start, we finished out with a razor sharp line, tight miter. So there you go. One of our little tips. Hope you enjoy it. And as always, till the next one, we'll see you back real soon.